How to track your Snapchat data uses and manage storage. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is Snapchat eating your data and storage? Let me show you how to track uses and manage space like a pro. First, open Snapchat and go to settings by tapping the gear icon on your profile screen. Now scroll down to data saver. Here you can see how much mobile data Snapchat is using and turn on data saver mode to reduce usage. To manage storage, go back to settings, scroll to clear cache and tap it. Don't worry, this won't delete your snaps or chats, it just frees up some space. With these tips, you will save both data and storage. Try it out and let me know you how much space you free up. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat hacks. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.